Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about bottom wear. Bottom wear is something that you wear on your bottom. Sorry, तुम्हारा भाई line भूल गया था. In today's video we're going to talk about 5 bottom wear every one of you must at all own. Like you have to own it. Like you have to get these before even getting yourself a girlfriend. Yes, before getting yourself a girlfriend. If you don't have one, first get these 5 bottom wears and then go for a girlfriend. Hashtag priorities. Before starting the video, here's a shout out to Tanay for that comment. Thank you so much, man, for commenting. Also, if you guys want to win a shout out, comment down below whatever you feel about this video. And without any further ado, let's get started. The number 1 bottom wear on our list is blue denim. Blue denim is an all-time classic. Like, you can't ever go wrong with this. And this thing is something that is gonna be in style for the coming 100 years or so. So here what I really suggest you to is spend a little more on these denims, because these denims, these quality denims, when you spend more on them, these are gonna last you for years, I'd say. Get a good pair of denim, spend a little more on the quality, it's gonna last you for a really long time. And believe me on this one, that denims get better with age. And this tip that I'm going to tell you is for all the bottom wears in this list, and in general any clothing items. It's that wear clothing items or get clothing items according to your body shape. Now, how to know what type of clothes you need for your body shape? Well, no worries. I have made a separate video on how you can wear clothes or outfits based on your body type and look your best in those outfits. So click on this link right here, or you can also click on the link in the description below. Number 2 on our list is again a denim, but this time it's the black denim jeans. Yes, just like the blue ones, this is an all-time classic and something that is gonna be in style for a lot of years to come. So yes, get another pair of good quality, spend a little more in these as well. Get a good quality black colored denim jeans. These are gonna last you for a really long time. Again, just make sure the fit is right. And how do you know that? The video. Number 3 on our list is cotton chinos. And here's something that's best for summer, as it's summer season right now. We need something really lightweight, something very breathable, and something that is very comfortable. Well, here are chinos for you. Get yourself a pair of good quality chinos. I'd say spend around 1,500 to 2,000 rupees on this at least. And chinos are very versatile, just like the pair of denims. This one is very versatile as well. You can pair these up in casual outfits, in semi-formal outfits, and in some cases formal outfits as well. So if you don't own a pair of chinos already, I'd suggest you go for a pair of black chinos and a pair of khaki or beige chinos. These are very versatile. You can pair these up with a lot of outfits. These are very versatile. If you have these already, go for navy blue or grey chinos. Number 4 on our list is shorts. Again, something that is meant for summers, which is very comfortable. It's lightweight, very breathable, and a classic as well. These are cotton shorts. These are made up of the same material as the chinos. It's just they're shorts because they're short. Bad joke there. If you don't know which one to own at first, I'd suggest you to go for a khaki or a beige colored cotton shorts. If you have it already, go for a black shorts, because black is again very versatile and you can pair it up with a lot of clothing items. And if you own both of them and other colors as well, go for basketball shorts. Basketball shorts isn't a must-have, but you can have them and pair it up in your summer streetwear outfits. And what is streetwear, you may ask? Well, it is a form of fashion, my current form of fashion, and it could be yours as well. Watch this video right now, this complete playlist, and you'll know what streetwear is and how to style it. So go for a pair of basketball shorts, a pair of black basketball shorts. You can pair it up with a basketball jersey. It looks dope. And finally, number 5 is track pants or joggers. Black track pants or joggers are something which is very versatile and a must-have for guys. These are very versatile. These look effortless when you pull them off in a right way, and they are very comfy. They're super comfy. If you don't have a pair of joggers or track pants, I'd suggest you go for a plain black joggers or track pants. If you have those, go for a grey one, because grey track pants again is something which a guy should really own. And it looks really good in like very basic items. And if you're a gym goer, a regular gym goer, those gym freak kind of bros, and you want to show your nice massive muscular legs and your butt, then go for those skin fit joggers or those skin fit track pants. They look amazing. They do a great job for your ass. And girls love them. Only in the gym, not anywhere else. Wear them only in the gym, alright? So that was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't, no problem. Give it a thumbs down and let me know in the comment section below why you did not like this video so that I can improve my future videos. And comment down anything in general, like anything. It could be a video suggestion or anything you feel about this video. And you can win a shout out in my next video, or maybe I can just create another video based on your suggestion. Also, if you do like my content and want more like this content, you might consider subscribing to this channel and be a part of our family, a part of our community, and help us grow, because nothing's possible without your support. If you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram handle is mentioned down below. It's @StreetStyleScape. You can follow me there and talk to me directly. I am also on Snapchat, so you can add me there and talk to me there and send snaps or whatever. It depends on you. Again, thank you so much for watching. Stay stylish, stay safe. Triple S